Hey everybody, this is Jessica from JessicaLynnOriginal Studios and welcome back. So as you know, May the 5th is just around the corner, and with Star Wars Day coming up, I thought we'd go ahead and share some fun facts about Star Wars movies. But that's not all. With this special day coming just a few weeks away, I have a really fun activity that I thought you could do with your kids to celebrate. They could make this amazing lunch bag that they could go ahead and it would look like Chewbacca, and all you use is a simple brown paper bag, and it is such a fun thing to create with them. And the day that you send them to school with their Chewbacca bag, amazing. So what you do is you take that brown paper bag, and as you saw, we just cut off kind of a jagged edge across the top, and then what we're doing is just rounding it off. Now you can see we did fold it, so we're making the Chewbacca head, if you will, so that's going to be his face. So once you've got that all set, super easy, you're going to give your kids a black Sharpie, or you could give them crayons or colored pencils, whatever you feel more comfortable with, and then have them go ahead and draw on first Chewbacca's little armor that he wears across his chest, and you can see my daughter is just giving it all kinds of detail. And then once you have that, you're going to go ahead and pop his head back down, and you're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. So we're going to go ahead and let her color this all in, but let's go through a couple of fun facts. So in Star Wars universe, Chewbacca is known for being a skilled pilot and co-pilot of the Millennium Falcon, along with his best friend Han Solo. You probably knew that one already. Chewbacca was actually inspired by George Lucas's dog, and that dog was an Alaskan Malamute, and its name was Indiana, and the dog would often ride in the front seat of his car with him. It's kind of interesting, fun one. The noise that Chewbacca makes, that brrr noise, is actually a distinct mix of a growl and a roar, and it was actually created by a sound designer named Ben Burt, who actually went ahead and mixed various animal sounds, including bears, lions, badgers, and walruses, to create this one-of-a-kind noise that we all know so well. So you can see as we're finishing coloring in the little eyes, the next thing we're going to add is a little nose, little mouth, and then just little tufts of hair across the top. And it is so simple to do. This little bag is so cute. We've actually done this every year right around Star Wars Day, so May 4th. May the 4th be with you, right? And our kids always get a kick out of it. It's so much fun, super easy to do. And we're going to go ahead and just let her finish in those eyes a little bit. Let's see, so we know that Chewie is his nickname, and he's a Wookiee, and he's from the planet of, I can always never remember how to say it, Kashyyyk, I think is the way you pronounce it. If I totally massacred it, I didn't do it on purpose. Absolutely adorable though. This is such a fun, easy project. Please go ahead and try some of this. We've got a ton of other Star Wars DIYs, crafts, tons of fun stuff. We are heading back in the next couple of months to Disney World to go and head back to Galaxy's Edge, so we have a lot more content that way coming. If you are interested, please go ahead and subscribe. We would love to have you come back. And you can see I'm just letting her put her little name down at the bottom so he knows whose lunch bag that is. Super cute. And here's how they look all done. You can see we made a couple of different ones just to kind of get some practice. Each one is unique and original and just a lot of fun. So just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to visit my website, JessicaLynnOriginal.com. And then don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we do a lot of creative content, including DIY, crafting, adventures to Disney World, Disneyland, and other locations. And we'd love to have you come back. Take care, everybody. We'll see you again soon.